Good morning, everyone. This is Bob here, and we're building another Speed Champions. This time set 77244 Mercedes AMG Petronas F1 Team W15 E Performance. That was a mouthful. Whew. Let's try that again. Mercedes AMG Petronas F1 Team W15 E Performance. That's a lot. Okay. So I'm sure I'll get some people that say it's Mercedes, not Mercedes. I've been seeing a lot of those where they pronounce the name of Mercedes correctly. I'm sure I don't get it right, but I'm trying. So this is number 5 of the Formula One Speed Champion range. This one is 267 pieces. Obviously this was released 1st of March with a price tag of 499 Rand in South Africa, 22.99 pounds, 26.99 euros and dollars. Obviously 267 pieces. Standard 1 minifigure with the branding on it. Having a look at the back, same back end picture and picture of the vehicle itself. To me it looks like normal front build. Obviously the middle is quite different. This reminds me of, I think, the Ferrari. That's how they built the Ferrari, I think. There's a combination between Ferrari and the Aston Martin at the back there. But yeah, let's open up and have a look. Okay. Very surprised we can go paper bags for this one. Okay. 6 bags as normal. Booklet very flimsy compared to the Red Bull one. Nice bit of information in this one. Fuel capacity 110 kgs of fuel. The Lego version has infinite curiosity, so there's no fuel capacity in the Lego version. And you've got the picture of them side by side, which is quite nice, so you can see what they look like. I think they get quite close with these, to be honest, the size and that. Stickers, not much color. Obviously, a bit of red here. How many stickers? 13, 24, 27, 28. 28 stickers are not so many behind it. Please, if you want to watch more of these videos, please hit that thumbs up and that subscribe button. It's there, I think. And you can watch a full series of these. We'll probably do one build with all 10 combined into one mighty speed build. But yeah, thanks for, I hope you enjoy the build. And there she is, done, dusted. AMG Petronas. So let's try that again. Mercedes AMG Petronas F1 W15E Performance Formula One car. So interesting things I saw. These slopes, very nice way of working it. This nice, the sword again to get that fin, very nice. I'm so glad these were printed. These 4 pieces here, that would have been a nightmare to get right. Otherwise, as I mentioned, this is very similar to one of the other models. This side piece is completely different. The front is, I'm going to be honest and say, it's quite a generic front, slightly different. Made a few changes, but overall it's quite generic. The back as well, this is also very generic in terms of how they work. Most of the differences here in this middle section here. So when you start getting to the front, the wheels, that part kind of just build one, build twice, 3, 4, it's all the same. But yeah, this one also got a bit of a wobble to it. I'm not too sure why. Back's quite steady. What can I say that's different about this and us? Some things I question about, but I mean, you got these flags here to give the smooth texture. They've put a very lot of effort in to get some of these curves and stuff in the corner here, which is great. Really adds to the detail. Unfortunately, because it's a all black car, a lot of it gets lost. This green and this turquoise, no, green, turquoise, this greeny gray does make it a bit more visible, but a lot of this detail is lost because obviously it's being in black. You're probably struggling to see it through here. It's only when I really rotate you're able to see that. But yeah, there's lots of details, just unfortunately because it's all black car, it just gets lost, which is unfortunate. Bottom, nothing new, same. Yeah, I think great build. Minifigure, probably the simplest one. Mercedes logo on the side there. That's it. Helmet, dual molded as well. Face is, I'd say, quite generic. Nothing special about that one. Even the hair. Yeah, out of all of them, I think this is probably looks like the most simple minifigure out of the lot. Not much on it, to be honest. I wonder if that has anything to do with because Hamilton was leaving, so they couldn't give more detail for him. Where, yeah, I mean, the Red Bull got a beard. Each got their own characteristics, but this one seems to be one of the most generic drivers out of the lot. Oh, it's a great build. If you like what you're watching, please hit that thumbs up and the subscribe button. And we'll see you later for the next one. Thank you.